Laclede Chain Manufacturing Company presents installation for Laclede ladder style cam truck chain. Pre-fit your chains before they're required. It is critical to check that the chains you have fit your tire. Before installing, make sure you are in a safe area, such as a parking lot, a designated chain-up area, or a clear section of the shoulder. Tire chains are always installed on the drive wheels of the car. Make sure you know which tires power the car before installing your chains. Step 1. Remove the chains from the bag and lay them flat with the cross chain hooks facing up. The cam side of the chain should be away from the vehicle as shown. Inspect the chain and remove any twists to allow for proper installation. Step 2. Drape the chains evenly over the tire, making sure the cams are on the outside of the tire. Step 3. Roll the vehicle so that the tires rotate about 1/4 turn. Step 4. Connect the fastener on the inside to the first link. Then repeat for the outside fastener. Step 5. Adjust the chains and alternate taking up links between the inside and outside fasteners. Step 6. Make sure the fastener connections have no more than 1 link difference, then lock the cams. Before proceeding, make sure that all cams are locked. This is an unlocked cam. This is a locked cam. Step 7. Move the vehicle about 15 feet, then unlock the cams, adjust the fasteners if possible, and relock the cams. It is not a problem if all cams cannot be locked. Lock as many as you can. Final tips for installing tire chains. Practice installing your chains before you need them. Apply the parking brake while installing tire chains. Do not spin your tires when starting. Do not lock your brakes when you're stopping. Avoid driving on dry pavement. Avoid traveling faster than 30 miles per hour. Avoid hitting curbs. Retighten your chains frequently.